When luxury meets performance in its most refined form, the result is the Range Rover SV Autobiography, an SUV built not just to drive, but to make a statement. At Turbo Truth, we take a closer look at this iconic masterpiece from Land Rover's Special Vehicle Operations SVO division. Designed for those who accept nothing but the best, the SV Autobiography blends majestic road presence with ultra-premium comfort. Its design is unmistakably royal, with a signature floating roof, a bold chrome-accented grille, and 21 or 22-inch diamond-cut alloy wheels that instantly catch the eye. Beneath the hood lies a powerful 4.4-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine, delivering over 530 horsepower with effortless acceleration, ensuring that this luxury SUV can perform just as fiercely as it looks. But the real magic lies inside. The cabin is a sanctuary of craftsmanship, featuring hand-finished wood veneers, semi-aniline leather seats, a panoramic sunroof, and even rear seats with hot stone massage, ventilation, and full recline. Every detail has been tailored to provide the passenger with the feel of a first-class jet on wheels. The SV Autobiography doesn't just ride smooth, it glides, thanks to adaptive air suspension and terrain response too, allowing it to handle both city roads and extreme terrains with equal poise. Rear seat passengers are treated to executive-class comfort with powered tables, touch-controlled screens, and even a center console fridge. Whether you're being driven or taking the wheel yourself, the experience is equally rewarding. At Turbo Truth, we see the Range Rover SV Autobiography as the final word in luxury SUVs, where capability meets class, and technology embraces tradition. It's not just a vehicle, it's an experience made for the elite.